The future of this industry is still to be discovered, and I'm sure that Auterion has to play a very important role in all of that, and I'm excited to be part of building this future together. I am Lucia and I work in the product marketing team of Auterion. I started working at Auterion and I was really completely new to the drone industry, so it was challenging at the beginning for sure. There was a lot to learn and to experience for me, but I have to say it went really smooth. It was kind of very easy to be welcomed in the team, and everybody was very supportive. There is not really a typical day. Days can be very different. I often spend time planning and developing material that can be used to promote a specific product or for marketing campaigns. So it could be marketing collaterals or writing content or also planning videos. I have also participated in industry exhibitions, for example AUVSI last spring in the US. I make sure to spend enough time with the engineering team who can walk me through new features of the products so that I can try to translate them into a messaging for content to be then shared. Recently I got the chance to put my hands on flying an Auterion powered drone, and this was really exciting because it was like putting my hands in the direct experience of an end user and see how it really simplifies the work of real operators. I really love the atmosphere at Auterion. I really like the team, the fact that it's really easy, international, and everyone is really open, collaborative. You can see really that people are passionate, they love what they do, and they are all committed to reach like a common goal. What makes me happy at Auterion is to have always something new to learn every day. The company is growing a lot and the industry is developing a lot, so you cannot really get bored working for Auterion and for this industry.